In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace a brake light switch on a Nissan NV2500. It is located underneath the left side of the dashboard. Right underneath your driver's side, you're going to see your brake pedal, you have your brake light switch, and you have your brake position switch. This is the one we're replacing, your brake light switch. Your brake light switch has 4 wires going to it onto a connector. You want to push the button on the top of the connector and pull straight to the left. I'm just using a pair of pliers. After your brake light switch is disconnected, you want to hold it, turn it counterclockwise until it unlatches, and then pull it straight out. And that's your brake light switch. Your brake light switch has teeth on the side of it. You want to install the teeth to the side. You also want to have your plug button on the top. You want to slide your brake switch into the hole, push all the way in until it bottoms out on your brake pedal, then turn it to the right to lock it in. Once you have your brake switch locked in, install your plug. Listen for the click. Once your brake light switch is installed, you obviously want to check to make sure your brake lights work.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.